I'm Alex Rada. I'm head of product at Vibetrace. Vibetrace is a marketing automation solution built to optimize your online revenues and has dedicated features for e-commerce. If you didn't know by now, so also, I want to tell you that this is the first time we record a video and we plan to do it as often as we have new updates or we have important things to share with our audience. So let's start with the updates we've added in July to our system. First and most important one is the double opt-in system that is much easier to set up compared to what it was before. You don't need to manually create campaigns, email campaigns, or to set up custom events in order to double opt in subscribers to the system. Now you have a toggle, and when this is turned on, an email campaign is automatically created, and subscribers are set to true only when they clicked inside that email. This is much easier to set up, and it's really a big update because it involves considering the all the entry points of email addresses into the system, like APIs, like importing files or event data. The second thing that we've added is related to each account. It's a report that shows you the last 12 months for each account, so you can easily see how it was 12 months ago about emails that were sent, for example, or also the e-commerce activity that you had, like sessions, cards, and confirmation. This will easily help you see and compare how you improved in this time. The third improvement is related to on-site campaigns or personalization for your website. We do have two main things here. The segmentation, you can now use JavaScript variables that already exist into the website in order to set conditions for users. For example, this works very well for Shopify customers or other CMSs that expose JavaScript objects or variables and use them in conditions that you set for users. Second is how we personalize the content. So you can now not only replace existing content, but based on CSS selectors, you can insert after, before, or prepend and append as last and first child to the selector that you've insert. This is really useful, for example, when you have various elements into the page and you just need to add something to a list, for example, that is custom for the segment that you choose. A really new thing, it's about a dynamic modifier that we've added to our email campaigns or to dynamic on-site campaigns that use a new modifier. It's called local date, and it has two very big usages. You can now present and show the day of the week or the month name in the local language, so you don't need to manually configure that or to hard code Wednesday or February or whatever it's in relation to dates. Now you can automatically set and leave this modifier to change it based on the current date that the user sees or receives the email. It works with any language, and there's a lot of options to formatting the date. So those were all the updates for July. If you don't know Vibetrace, we invite you to visit our website at vibetrace.com. And just to mention again, our vision is to become the best solution to optimize your online revenues. Thank you, and you'll hear next from me as well.